These spicy turkey lettuce wraps are absolutely packed with flavour. Lovely and savoury, fragrant and spicy. They're really quick to make, they only take 15 minutes. And we stuff all of that lovely spicy mince into crisp lettuce leaves, which mean no knives and forks are required. So let's get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of sesame oil in a large frying pan over a high heat. Once that oil's hot, we're going to add 500 grams, which is a little over a pound of minced turkey, and fry for 5 minutes, breaking up any clumps as you go until lightly browned. Now add 2 minced cloves of garlic and 1 red chilli that's been thinly sliced. Stir together and fry for another 2 minutes. Next in goes 2 tablespoons of light brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper and 2 tablespoons of water. Now stir all that together and fry for a further 2 minutes until that turkey is golden brown. Now turn off the heat and we're ready to serve it up. Now I've got 12 baby gem lettuce leaves here on my tray and we're going to fill it with that minced turkey mixture. Once they're all filled, then sprinkle with some sliced spring onions, some sesame seeds and some chilli flakes. I also like to drizzle on a little bit of sweet chilli sauce as well. And there you go, that's dinner done in 15 minutes. Now if you wanted to make these a little bit more substantial, you could also add in a little bit of boiled rice. Hope you enjoy them.